Hello guys, it's me, Mew. Just kidding, but welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to test out the Nikkie Tutorials x BeautyBay collaboration palette, and I'm so freaking excited to try this out today. You can't even imagine. I've been a fan of Nikkie Tutorials for so long. She's such an inspiration for everybody in the makeup industry. So this collaboration just blown our minds everywhere on this planet because it's exactly what we needed in this crazy situation that the world is in. So if you're curious how this bad boy looks like, how it's going to behave, and what look we are going to turn out with today, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join me on Instagram at amewnition, where you are going to find content which is not going to be available on YouTube. As I quickly mentioned in the intro, we are going to do the unboxing of this bad boy. I'm so freaking excited about this palette. So the whole theme of the palette is like half the sweet and pink side of Nikkie's life, and then half of it is just the dark side of it, which I think is just such a cool concept. We also have a little message on the back which says, "Hello guys, it's me Nikkie, hello. I'm beyond excited for you to finally see this, my palette in collaboration with BeautyBay. I am so grateful for this opportunity, and this time we're doing it right for everybody." We all know what happened last time. Without further ado, this is the palette. It just looks so gorgeous, and it's a bit heavy as well, so it's definitely like a steady quality palette in terms of packaging, of course. I don't know, I just have a look at it and it's just so inspiring, and I feel like I have so many looks that I can take out from this palette. And I'm so freaking excited about this, like, yeah. Also, this palette has 20 shades, either that being matte or shimmers, and I'm so freaking excited. I've seen some swatches of the shimmers, and I just can't wait to try them out. We also have two mirrors in the pan. You have this mirror, which is the normal one. Of course, you can already see my fingerprints, but hey, yeah, that's fine. And then you have a magnifying mirror on this side, which is exactly for those moments when you need to have a closer look. Nikkie Tutorials also suggested it's better to use this palette with an eyeshadow base. So I already applied mine. I used the MAC Painterly Pot in Soft Ochre, and we are ready to go. I already have a rough idea of what I want to create today, but I'll just take it step by step and see what it's going to go. Okay guys, just to go through the basics before we jump into the pan, this palette has 20 shades, either that being matte or shimmers, which from the swatches I've seen online, the shimmers are amazing. And also this bad boy retails for only £25. See how today's look goes, but I have such good vibes about this guy, so let's jump right in. Okay, so I'm going to take this shade Redemption, which is this very pumpkiny orange, and I'm going to put it in the interior of my eye. Hello pigment. This shade is definitely pigmented, that's for sure. It has a little bit of kickback, I can give you that, but nothing too much to worry about. Okay, next up we are going to go into this shade because it is screaming my name. So we are going to go into the shade Nikkie, which is named after Nikkie's little brother, and I just love that. It's just the sweetest touch of this palette. Okay, so I'm going into the shade Nikkie, and I'm going to go into further on my crease and deepen that out. Those two colors just blended together like there was nothing, like no problem. I'm just amazed by this. And also this red is like such a pigmented color. I love it. Now I'm going to take the shade Zomer, which is this really pretty pink, and I'm going to blend out the edges of the red, so just to make sure we don't have any hard edges. I just love how this is coming out, like, it's just amazing. Okay, I'm gonna go with the red on the other side and do the same thing. Okay, to spice the things just a little bit up, I'm going to go into the shade All In, and I'm going to create a little crease with it. One thing I have to mention, like, these shimmers are a bit crumbly, if that's a thing. But of course they're like super pigmented, so I don't mind, but just so you know. The shade All In is such a pretty color. It's like, it has so many reflections. It's gold, but it's green, but it's pink at the same time. So I just love how this look turns out. Loving this so far. Okay, in case you're wondering why I didn't go all the way down, it's because I have something else in mind for that part. So bear with me. Trust the process. These are a bunch of pretty colors. I love them. So I went ahead and did a little liner shape with my eyeshadow base, so I can create a smooth line for what's coming next. And next we are going to go into the shade Vla, which is a very nice neon yellow, and we are going to create this little line with this yellow. Now we finish with the yellow liner, and I have to say this looks incredible until now. It's just such a cool and shimmery and kind of like a sunset vibe. I just love it. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the lower lash line, and for that I'm going to go back into the shade Mikai with a pencil brush. Again, very pigmented shadows. And I'm gonna go straight under my lash line as close as possible. Now I'm gonna go with the same brush into the Redemption shade again. And I'm going to blend it out on the outer corner. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Ivy. And I'm going to put my inner corner highlight. Really good stuff. Okay, so I'm going to pop off camera really quickly, and I'm going to put on some lashes to complete this look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. What do you think? I am in love with this. I have nothing bad to say about this palette, apart from the fact that it is a bit crumbly, or it has a little bit of kickback, which is fine because, I mean, can you see this pigmentation? This is crazy. £25, guys. So inspiring to just look at it and like think what kind of looks you can get out of this. And I just feel like this is one of those palettes which I'm going to continuously reach out for because it's such a good combination. I'm also open to constructive criticism, so there you go. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join me on Instagram at amewnition. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!